Now we are going to watch tiger. Do I look like a tiger?
After a century of decline, overall wild tiger numbers are starting to tick upward. Based on the best available information, tiger populations are stable or increasing in India. An estimated 3,900 tigers remain in the wild, but much more work is needed to protect this species if we are to secure its future in the wild.
Look at them. We can't speak loudly because if we speak loudly, he can jump out of this cage.
Tigers are the largest cat species in the world, and the Siberian tiger is the largest subspecies with males weighing up to 300 kilograms and measuring 10 feet. Tigers are solitary ambush predators that rely on stealth and strength to take down prey. These apex predators primarily hunt large ungulates such as wild boar and deer, but are known to consume monkeys, buffaloes, sloth bears, leopards, and even crocodiles. Tigers have been known to reach up to 20 years of age in the wild. They thrive to temperate, tropical or evergreen forests, mangrove swamps, and grasslands. However, approximately half of all wild tiger cubs do not survive past the first 2 years of life. Only 40% of those that reach independence actually live to establish a territory and produce young. The risk of mortality remains high for adult tigers due to their territorial nature, which often results in direct competition with conspecifics or members of the same species. In some areas, including much of Southeast Asia, tigers are still in crisis and declining in number.